Hi, my name is Christina and I want to show you my Climapod. This is my Climapod and it is my greenhouse that I've had for a year now, and I'm just going to walk inside. Today is April 14th and I just want to show you some of the stuff that's going on here. So right now I have started quite a few different things. Mostly they are different plants, but what I want to show you is my greenhouse is 8 by 14 and I have run out of room. So I would advise anyone who's going to get their Climapod to make sure that you get shelving for both sides. You can see that I have the automatic vents, which I absolutely love, so I'd never ever have to worry about coming out here whether or not the greenhouse is getting too hot. You can see a little bit of a film on the outside of my greenhouse. That's because what I did is I put a light coat on it so the sun is not so strong on it, and that just wipes right off, so with water, so that's not a big thing. But I just want to tell you that if you are interested in having a greenhouse, I cannot say enough about my Climapod. I would highly recommend it to anybody. So enjoy.